Okay guys, this will be another bike check for EastinctBMX, and it is from my friend's bike, Zul's bike. It's really dope and black in color. So we are starting off. The grips is Mutiny Team grips, and the bar ends are Mutiny bar ends, came with the grip. And for the handlebars are Sabusa Pandora's handlebars, Ryan Shear's signature. For the stem is Mutiny lifted stem, front load. For the forks, it's the dopest fork ever and very light. It's called with the people helium fork, nice and trendy. For the front rim will be front wheel set. I mean, use the proper macrolite wheel set with a proper rim and spokes. Front tire is FAF tire, and the front pack is an stock packs, came from an old bike. The frame, yeah, especially the frame. I like the frame. Fly Tierra V1 is the first version of the Tierras. It's only in Singapore, I think. I don't know. Okay, the sprocket will be with the people Supreme sprocket, Huffing chain, Black Label stock cranks, Eclat Ashley Charles PC pedals, Shadows slim seat combo, animal seat post. Okay, the rear wheel set will be a proper Magnolite wheel set with a red spokes. I like that red spokes. And the back packs will be some stock packs too. Now that will be all for today. It's for my friends Zulio's bike. Enjoy for the next bike.